Hey guys, Robin Lynn here in partnership with Mike Klingler. I wanted to check in with you. I'm not saying you got to leave your business model if it's working for you, but for most of you, it's not working for you the way you really want it to be. What I'm talking about is having sales come through automation, where you've got a system that's working for you behind the scenes that's set up to convert your leads, your traffic, into sales, and not just a one-time sale, but consistently through the months and years, ongoing reliable cash flow. It can be draining if you don't know how to apply marketing done right. If you're applying marketing in a way that's pulling from tactics, like you're applying the latest Instagram hacking tactic, or you've purchased some kind of ClickFunnels or marketing funnel and you're hacking someone else's funnel, just slapping things together, expecting it will work for you without applying the strategy that I'm sharing, it isn't going to work, and you're going to be overwhelmed and confused, frustrated, and at a loss because your time, energy, and money has gone into something that hasn't quite paid off. Maybe you're in the red, right? And you're sinking in this process. And so what I want to share with you is marketing done right, is how to market, promote, or sell, whether you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, or you're a coach or a consultant who offers your own products and courses and services of some kind, or you have a career or a job or some kind of a business where you're looking to replace more of your income through online efforts that frees up your time and energy and that allows you to have consistent, reliable cash flow as the months and years progress with less effort from you. And so what I want to share with you is that all of this is possible, but it comes by having the right strategy in place, not by pulling and piecemealing at the tactics, funnel hacking here and Instagram or LinkedIn tactics there. It's about the strategy, and we've put together, Mike and I've put together a class, a 2-hour class that shares with you 5 components of this strategy that you have to have in place, and 5 cash flow optimization steps that allow you to grow and scale your income so that when you do advertise and promote your messaging online, you're in profit and your list is growing and you're generating more and more revenue month after month with reliability. As the years go on, you're making more and more income, and you don't have to put more time into your business as your income is scalable. So I want to share with you exactly what this is all about. It's something that I believe in. It's something that I've been utilizing for over 7.5 years in building systems online and being able to help thousands of clients around the world be able to tap into this strategy. We've put this class together for you to make it really simple and to have it all in one place, because a lot of times as entrepreneurs we can get lost in the mess of all the stuff that needs to be in place, especially if you're trying to do stuff online. It can get kind of static and your energy can be draining because you need to focus and you need to put your attention into specific things, but there sometimes are a lot of things to put your attention into in order for you to generate millions and millions of dollars. Yes, it is possible. And so in this strategy class, I share with you how I use the strategy to generate over $2.9 million with one video funnel, one ad on Facebook, and how Mike used this strategy to generate over $1 million in one day of launching his system with no advertising. And again, we share with you how we use this in real time. We share with you how you can use it regardless of where you're at. And if you've no marketing experience, if you don't even have a marketing funnel or you've never even built an online email list, we share with you how you can leverage our systems that are duplicatable, pre-built for you, and customized for you. So I hope you take the time to learn more about the success strategy. This 2-hour class that we've put together, it culminates our over 25 years of experience generating over 8 figures in online revenue, and it really simplifies the process, especially if you're looking to generate online income with predictability and reliability. I'm Robin Lynn in partnership with Mike Klingler. I can't wait to see you in class.